Hi kids! Today, let's color the alphabet together. We have all the capital letters from A to Z, and we are going to fill them with bright and beautiful colors. Grab your crayons and let's get started.
Oh, come on and color with me. A is for amazing art we're making. B is for a brilliant blue we're taking. C is for a cool cat striped and new. D is for a darling dog for me and you. Color, color, color the alphabet. E is for an elephant, so great. F is for a friendly fish we can create. G is for green grapes, yummy to eat. H is for a happy heart that can't be beat. Let's keep coloring, you and me. I is for ice cream, what a sweet treat. J is for jumping up and down the street. K is for a colorful soaring kite. L is for a lovely lamp that shines so bright. Color, color, color the alphabet. M is for a monkey swinging in a tree. N is for a little net floating in the sea. O is for an orange sitting on a plate. P is for the painting that we think is great. Color, color, color the alphabet. Color, color, color the alphabet. Q is for a queen with a shiny crown. Shiny crown. R is for a rabbit hopping all around. All around. All around. Color, color, color the alphabet. Color, color, color the alphabet. Yeah, color it in. S is for the sun shining in the sky. Shine in the sky. T is for a train zooming quickly by. Quickly by. Quickly by. Color, color, color the alphabet. Color, color, color the alphabet. Everything is bright. Color, color, color the alphabet. Color, color,
alphabet looks amazing. Want to practice? Download this worksheet and thousands more at our website. Like, subscribe, and see you next time. Happy coloring! A to Z Worksheet, your ultimate destination for premium educational resources. Whether you are a parent or a teacher, we have everything you need to make learning exciting. Explore our massive library of over 5,000 high-quality worksheets covering all subjects and topics. From preschool all the way to grade 6, we provide the perfect tools to help every child excel. Visit our website today and unlock a world of endless learning possibilities.